In this video, I will show you how you can make $10 in 20 minutes. And this is really simple, guys. All you need is a laptop or your phone. Watch this video to the end and follow all the steps if you want to make $10 online in 20 minutes or less. The methods I want to talk to you guys about are user testing. User testing is really simple. What it is sites are basically asking for your opinion on their websites or apps. Anybody can do this. All you need is a phone or a laptop and an own opinion, which I believe everybody has. To actually get paid, you have to sign up. So to become a Try My UI tester, Try My UI is the first user testing website I would recommend to you guys. So to become a Try My UI tester, you have to sign up using your full name and your PayPal email. You have to give up your PayPal email because they send payment directly to that email each Friday. And as you can see here, you will be paid $10 for each test you take. For each test, guys, so if you take 5 tests, you make $50 just by completing out tests and giving out your opinion. That's a lot. At Try My UI, we help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps. Fast facts. What does a usability test consist of? Video featuring your screen and voice as you use a website or app. So you don't even have to show your face, just a screen recording with your voice. And after you take the screen recording test, you have to make a written response to a short wrap-up survey. So you have to just answer some questions about your experience on the site. How many tests can I do? There's no limit on the number of tests you can do. There's no limit, guys. If you get good ratings every time, you can do as many tests as you like. But you can expect to get a few each week. So it's not like you can complete just one test and have to wait a whole week for a new test. No, you can get at least, I would say, 3 to 4 tests each week. They also mentioned that this is definitely not full-time work, just a way to make a few extra bucks doing something fun in your spare time. Which I really believe it is, guys. It's fun to do, just 15 to 20 minutes giving out your opinion, helping out people by improving their website or app, and you also get paid to do that. I think it's pretty fun. How will you be paid? You get paid through PayPal every Friday. The tests are cleared for payment after being reviewed, so not all the tests get approved. If the customer doesn't think it's good enough, it will get declined. Which is pretty obvious because if you just don't deliver the work you're supposed to deliver, you're only gonna get paid, guys. You have to actually work for it. But don't worry, it's easy, everybody can do it. So yeah, that's the first site, Try My UI. The other site I really recommend you guys is called user testing. That's actually the name of the site, usertesting.com. Now this is basically the same idea, but I think this site is a little bit more organized and more easy to handle. So as you can see, this is the website, and everything is really well explained. This is more for if you want to get your website or app checked, but we want to become the testers. Get paid to test. Earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app. Complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. This is really the whole idea, guys. You visit a website or an app, you complete some tasks, and get paid. How it works. Again, you get paid via PayPal. And again, $10 for every 20-minute video. You might be thinking, $10? It's just $60 here. And that's true, it really depends on how long your video is. Sometimes you have to complete a 1 hour long video, and those are the tests that really pay out the good money. But personally, I prefer the 20-minute tests because $10 is nice too, a little bit of extra cash. And personally, I don't feel like sitting 60 minutes speaking out loud. Now, to show you guys that this is legitimate, I'm going to just log into my own account. So yeah, yes, as you may see here, I completed my first test a few days ago. So the available tests, as you may see, available tests, will appear here. And since I just completed the test maybe 2 or 3 days ago, I don't have any new tests now, but they should be here in a couple of days. And when I go to completed tests, you see that the test I completed 2 or 3 days ago is here. It's not rated yet, so it could still get declined, but if they don't check it in time, I will get paid the next payout date. So as you may see here, I have $10 pending. So that means, let me just define that for you. Payment pending, $10. Payments are sent to your PayPal address on file exactly 7 days after you complete the test. Please make sure your PayPal account is in good standing and that your PayPal email address on file is up to date. So basically what that means is you get paid out 7 days after completing that test. So you just sit around, watch some TV, and you get the money rolling into your bank account, guys. That's it. Just giving out your opinion and get paid to do so. So I really recommend you guys to try out this method. Just go online, sign up for those 2 websites, start user testing, give out your opinion, and make some money, guys. $10 for every 20-minute video you make. That's easy money. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye, guys.